Alright, classification of monosaccharides. We have aldoses that have aldehyde groups on. Let me get down here. And then we have ketoses that have the ketone in here. And then we also, so this is an aldose, a ketose, and a ketose. But the general form I have here is an aldohexose, ketopentose. So, and they also, you have a list of them in your book. There are hexoses, pentoses, tetroses, and trioses. So we have one, but we count up the carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a hexose. There is a aldehyde functional group. So this is an aldohexose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexose as well, but there's a ketone, so that's a ketohexose. And if it was 5, then it would be ketopentose. If it's 4, ketotetros. And then, oh, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of took away from it here. There's 4 of them, so that is a tetros, and it's a ketone, so it's a ketotetros. So you go from trios or trios, tetros, pentos, hexos, an aldo or keto attached to it. You could also just call this an aldose, a ketose, and a ketose, but it's better to have this full general name because that gives us the most information. Then I'd also like you to know the Fisher projections for, I have just glucose and fructose because it's when you say these, it's generally considered you're talking about D-glucose and D-fructose. But yeah, I want you to know the Fisher projection for D-glucose. And it's the most abundant of the monosaccharides in nature. It's an aldohexose. So it comes up all the time. We're going to be seeing it many, many, many times. So you should know that structure. And it depends on the semester. Currently I like the students to draw this out. It depends. You should have a review sheet. Should tell you where you stand. You can ask your instructor as well which compounds. Other instructors would want you to know other compounds. But for fructose here, it's biologically the most important ketohexose, and it comes up time and time again for the different reactions we're going to be doing in biochemistry. So you should know those.